I think he listened to it 1,000 times, and I think this is the one. Yes.
Reason for my heart.